Hello everyone. In this video we will discuss about some of the additional points related to the Allen's keynote, the points which we have to found in the different books during the preparation. So I'm telling over here some of the points. Firstly is the remedy about the abrotenum, and it's a common name, as you know, it's southern wood, and it is also called lady's-love. This is important one. And the hemorrhoids, diarrhea or the other secretions alternates with hemorrhoids with dysentery. This is also found in the Kali Bai also. This is found in abrotenum and also in the Kali Bai. So other is the alternate constipation with hemorrhoids. Earlier I have told you about the diarrhea alternates with hemorrhoids, that is the abrotenum and the Kali Bai, and the constipation alternates with the hemorrhoid, that is the Kali sulf and the sulfur. And in case of the abrotenum, it's follow Val Brinia and Brita carb. And next is the acetic acid, and the chemical formula of acetic acid is CH3COOH. It's known as glacial acetic acid too. And there is the vicarious menstruation. There is the discharge from the other outlets of the body instead of the menses, that is the vicarious menstruation. This is, we have studied about commonly in the Brinia. This is also found in the acetic acid, Brinia and the phosphorus. In case of the Abies nigra, there is the sensation of the hard-boiled eggs stuck in the epigastric region, or you can say that the end of the oesophagus. And this, the common name of the Abies nigra is the black spruce, and the prover is the Dr. Learman, and it belongs to the family Coniferae. Next is the Abies canadensis, and this is the name is the hemlock spruce, and the family is the same Coniferae. Now next one is the case of the Aconite napellus. The important point is that unless indicated by the exciting cause, that is, as we know that the ailments from the cold, dry west winds in case of the aconite is not indicated. If there is exciting cause is not indicated, we should not give aconite in case of the typhoid fevers, and is nearly injurious in the first stage of the typhoid fever. And next is the complementary is aconite is complementary to coffee in the fever, in sleeplessness and intolerance of the pain. So next point is about the Actia racemosa, that this remedy was proved by the Jeanes, 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 and this is having the same family with the Colophyllum, that is Ranunculacea, that is the blue cohosh, and this is the black cohosh. Next is the that Colophyllum and Pulsatilla. They are ameliorated by the warmth. That the comparison is with the Actia racemosa, that during the labor there is the shivering in the first stage, convulsions from the nervous excitement, and rigid oaths, pain, severe spasmodic, tedious, and aggravation by least noise. But in case of the Colophyllum and Pulsatilla, in uterine and rheumatic affections, they are amelioration by the warmth. And next is the Aesculus hip, which is proved by the Dr. Hooley, C-W-L-Y, Hooley, probably. Next, Athusa cyanopium is proved by the Nannings. And, as we know that there is the intolerance of the milk in case of the Athusa cyanopium, that the child spitted out the milk in the curdled form, and later on he felt drowsiness, and there it is the undigested milk, we can say, in case of the Athusa, but the undigested milk in stool is found in the megcarp. So it is Athusa cyanopium is complementary to Calcarea carp, and it is antidoted by vegetable acids, Athusa. It antidotes opium, aconite in inflammatory conditions. So next remedy is the Agaricus muscaris, which is proved by Schbetter and Staff, Schbetter, Schbetter and Staff, and this is a fungus, as we all know, and it grows in the pine woods. This is very, very important. Question is asked about this, that where it grows in the pharmacy, you can see. And it is antidoted by, Agaricus is antidoted by charcoal, coffee and camphor, and followed by the tarantula. Next, Allium cepa is proved by the Harry, and Allium cepa is the vegetable analog of the phosphorus. Symptoms are opposite to the phosphorus. Next, Allium cepa is antidoted by the Arnica, Chamomilla, Nux vomica and Thuja. Aloes socotrina is proved by Halbeck. Its important symptom is hungry during diarrhea. This is aloes. Alumina is proved by Hahnemann, and is having scrofulous diathesis, and its chemical formula is ALOH in bracket by 3. Next, alumina is one of the chief antidote for lead poisoning, painter's colic and ailments from lead. Slow to act, so do not show changes quickly. That means alumina is also required a long time to act. It does not shows its effect instantly after giving, or after it is provided to the patient. It doesn't show its effect. It takes a long time to show its effect. And the next one is the ammonium carb, which is also known as the smelling salts. Ammonium carb is antidoted by the arnica and camphor, and it is inimical to laxes. It is very, very important point. And it affects the right sided most. This is also important in case of the ammonium carb. Amyl nitrosum is proved by Dr. T.F. Allen. C10H11O-NO3. Sometimes this type of questions are asked. Anacardium is proved by the Staff. Anacardium follows and is followed well by the platinum. Next is the Antium crude, which is proved by Caspary, Dr. Caspary. SbS3, its chemical formula. And Antium crude is antidoted by Calcarea carb and Hippus sulf. Next, Antium tart is also proved by Staff. And this is tart aromatic. It's follow Brita carb. Next, Apis mellifica is proved by Bruns, B-R-A-U-N-S, Bruns, the prover name. Argentum is proved by Hahnemann, and this is the pure silver, or you can say precipitated silver. The word precipitate is also used. And the antidoted by Argentum metallicum is antidoted by the pulsatilla and the mercurius. Argentum nitricum is proved by J.O. Muller, and this is the chemical formula is AgNO3. Somewhere it is AgO or NO5 is given as in the Allen keynotes. Argentum nitricum is having craving for wind blowing on the face. Craving for salt is in the phosphorus and also in the Argentum nitricum. Coffea is the inimical of the Argentum nitricum. Coffea increases nervous headache in case of the Argentum nitricum. So these were the few points up to here over the Argentum nitricum. Next I will tell you in the next video. Thank you so much.